Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Seaborn Library. Seaborn is a popular data visualization library built on top of the Matplotlib. It provides a high-level interface for creating beautiful and informative statistical graphics. So our today's agenda is introduction followed by the code example, followed by the real-life example of Seaborn, and last but not least, use of Seaborn in industry. Introduction to the Seaborn. Seaborn is a Python data visualization library based on Matplotlib. It provides a high-level interface for creating beautiful and informative statistical graphics. It is built on top of Matplotlib, but offers a more intuitive and concise syntax for creating visualization. Seaborn offers a wide range of plots including scatter plot, line plots, bar plots, histograms, box plot, and many more. It also provides support for more advanced statistical plots such as regression plots, kernel density estimation plots, and factor plots. One of the major advantages of Seaborn is its agility to work seamlessly with Pandas data frame. This allows for easy manipulation and visualization of data. Now moving towards interactive code examples, let's now take a look at this example for to demonstrate how Seaborn can be used to create a beautiful and informative visualization. We will start by importing the necessary libraries like import Seaborn as SNS, import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, and NumPy and pandas. We have create a simple scatter plot using the Seaborn library. So we can create x equal to np dot random dot normal of size 100, similarly for y, and we have created a scatter plot and show it. This will generate a scatter plot with random x and y values. Next, let's create a histogram of some sample data. We can create it using sns.histplot and passing the data in it. We can have the code output for scatter graph. This will generate a scatter plot. Okay. As you can see, Seaborn makes it easy to create beautiful and informative visualization with just few lines of code. Now just look at these. So here are the code snippets for creating a line plot, box plot, heat map, and regression plot using the CMap, Seaborn. First of all, we need to create a line plot. Okay. For that, to create a line plot, we use Seaborn here. In the Seaborn, we have used the Seaborn function sns.lineplot and pass the argument x and y and just write plt.show. It shows the output as a sine wave. Okay, this will generate a line plot of a sine function. We can also do a box plot with this. I'm not able to run it because I don't have a data set here. But if I have a data set of tips, then it will be generating x equal to day, y equal to total bill, and data equal to tips. It will generate a box plot also. For heat map also, we have a function called sns.heatmap. This will generate a heat map of number of passengers by month and year. Now for regression plot, we have to create a regression plot using Seaborn, we can use sns.regplot function. Here an example. This will generate the regression plot of the tip amount by the total bill amount. Talking about the real life examples of Seaborn, now that we have seen some of the interactive code examples, okay, let's take a look at some real life examples where Seaborn has used to create impactful visualization. One example of the use of Seaborn in industry is by Airbnb. Airbnb is a popular online marketplace that allows people to rent out their properties or find accommodations while traveling. The company uses Seaborn to visualize their booking data and gain insights into their business performance. For instance, Seaborn has been used by Airbnb to visualize their booking rates across different cities and countries, which help the company to identify their most popular destinations and improve their marketing strategies. Another example of the use of Seaborn in industry is by the healthcare industry. Seaborn has been used to visualize medical data and gain insights into patients' health conditions. This has helped healthcare professionals to make informed decisions about patient care and treatment plans. For example, Seaborn has been used to visualize the patient's health data such as blood pressure, cholesterol level, and body mass index (BMI). These visualization have helped healthcare professionals to identify the patterns and trends in patient health data and make data-driven decisions about patient care. These real-life examples demonstrate the versatility and usefulness of Seaborn in various industries and applications. Seaborn has been widely used in industry for data visualization and analysis. So it has been used in various fields such as finance, healthcare, e-commerce, and many more. Seaborn has been used to create impactful visualizations that have helped companies to make data-driven decisions and improve their business performance. In the finance, Seaborn has been used to visualize the stock prices, market trends, and financial data. It has helped the finance professionals to make informed decisions about investments and trading strategies. In e-commerce, Seaborn has been used to visualize the customer data and gain some insights into customer behavior. This has helped e-commerce companies to improve their marketing strategies and enhance customer experience. Overall, Seaborn has been an important tool for data visualization and analysis in the industry, helping companies to gain insights into their business performance and make the data-driven decisions. Now you can think Matplotlib also uses the similar function. What is the difference between the Seaborn and Matplotlib? So there are some characteristics based on which I will differentiate Matplotlib versus Seaborn. So first is use cases. Matplotlib plots various graphs using pandas and NumPy, but Seaborn is the extended version of Matplotlib, which uses Matplotlib along with NumPy and pandas for plotting graphs. So without Matplotlib, Seaborn is nothing. Complexity of syntax. It uses a comparatively complex and lengthy syntax. But in the Seaborn, it is uses comparatively simple syntax which is easier to learn and understand and memorize also. Multiple figures. Matplotlib has multiple figures can be opened. In Seaborn, it automates the creation of multiple figures, which sometimes leads to out of memory issue. Talking about the flexibility, it is highly customizable and powerful. Seaborn avoids a ton of boilerplate by providing default themes which are commonly used. Concluding the session, Seaborn is a powerful data visualization library that offers a high-level interface for creating beautiful and informative statistical graphics. It has been widely used across various industries, including finance, healthcare, and e-commerce. Seaborn's versatility and intuitive syntax makes it a valuable tool for visualizing and analyzing data, enabling companies to gain insights, make informed decisions, and improve their business performance. Whether it's visualization, stock prices, customer behavior, or patient health data, Seaborn empowers professionals to harness the power of data and create impactful visualizations that drive actionable insights. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial of Seaborn to Library. We have covered the basics of Seaborn, explored some interactive code examples, and seen some real life examples of Seaborn used in industry. Seaborn is a powerful tool for creating beautiful and informative visualizations. I hope this tutorial has been helped in getting you started with Seaborn. Happy visualization!